Good afternoon, everyone. I'll be presenting our experience of working with the aspirational districts. To give a background, Piramal Foundation works with the district administration in 25 aspirational districts across 7 states with the mandate of transforming health and nutrition indicators as identified within the program. Our teams located at the district and block level engage closely with the health and ICDS departments, providing technical and managerial support. Over the last 2 years, we have seen significant improvements in the indicators listed in the program, including some of those related to nutrition as depicted in the graph. Multi-sectoral convergence has been recognized as a pillar under Poshan Abhiyan, to facilitate which governance structures in the form of convergence action committees have been established across levels. These Convergence Action Plan or CAP committees have been recognized as primary vehicles driving the agenda of convergence on the ground, facilitating interdepartmental convergence. The primary objective of the CAP committee is to formulate a convergence action plan at the beginning of the year, post which it is expected to monitor the progress of the plan on a quarterly basis. The planning process has been completely decentralized with a push for bottom-up planning, such that block level plans feed into the district plans, which then get subsumed into the state plans. So how are we faring in the whole planning process? While committees have been created and action plans have indeed formulated every year, it wouldn't be entirely wrong to say that we are far away from the convergence as it was envisaged in the Poshan Abhiyan guidelines. The process works in a manner such that at the beginning of the year, a template is circulated by the state to all the districts with a set of predefined indicators against which baseline and target values are to be incorporated. In addition, there are sections such as challenges and activities against which information pertaining to that specific geography is expected. When the template reaches the district or the block level, it is mostly filled in by the ICDS department, circulated to the health department for comments, if at all, and for filling in some numbers and activities for indicators which entirely fall under the purview of the health department. It is important to note here that during this entire process, rarely any other department is engaged. Primary reason for that being that the set of indicators which are there in the template mainly pertain to health program or the ICDS program. What is received back from the level below are numbers, often without any scientific basis, as targets, activities which are already part of ongoing programs, and some generic challenges. Once this plan is sent back to the level above, there is rarely any discussion or review around it. The same process is followed every year. The manner in which the whole process functions will make one question whether convergence, or rather system-driven convergence, is possible at all. And the answer to that is yes, it is. Because every year at this time, the entire Convergence Action Committee comes together to plan for Poshan Ma. They meet frequently, they plan, they create action plans, they implement those plans, report numbers and review their work at the end of the Poshan Ma. So how do we strengthen this process? We have a few suggestions which begin with something as basic as orientation of the departments on how to formulate these plans. Presently, I don't think any capacity building exercise has been undertaken by the WCD department on how to formulate convergence action plans. Recently, a new set of guidelines has also been issued, but nobody really knows as to what is expected out of this planning process or what was the vision behind it. So that is definitely step one. The second suggestion would be revision of the indicator list. Unless every department finds a space and clearly visualizes their role within the larger planning process, it is difficult to onboard them as part of the process. The third and the most important step would be that once the indicators, department-wise indicators, are identified, to incorporate the same indicators in the departmental action plan, so the same is reviewed in the review process which happens at the different departments. And lastly, strengthening the quarterly tracking process. The DM is the head of the Convergence Committee, rather the chair of the Convergence Action uh, Plan Committee, and it is extremely important that the DM convenes the quarterly meetings. Our experience working with the aspirational districts has shown that the DM has the convening authority, and the best way to strengthen this process would be if he takes charge. That's it. Thank you so much.